Hi, and welcome to the back pain yoga workout. Back pain usually occurs when there are imbalances in your posture that manifest due to a lot of sitting, stress, or unbalanced training. That's why today we'll mainly look at working on stabilizing our core. Your core is defined by the muscles of your deep muscular corset, the transverse abdominis, the diaphragm, a muscle that assists in breathing, deep back muscles along the spine, and the pelvic floor. That means core is much more than just the abs, but also the hips and the back as well. Core strength is the ability to buttress and dissociate your hips from your spine. Besides the core, back pain can also establish because of a tense neck. So let's start with some neck mobility exercises. Start at the end of your mat. Your feet are a little bit more than hip width apart, bringing both arms up to the sides, and now turn only your right hand upwards, looking at the hand and staying long in the spine. Now change sides. Bring the left palm up. The right palm is facing down now, and you're looking to your left. Some more of these. Inhale, look right. Exhale to the left, staying long in the spine. Inhale right. And exhale left. Inhale right. Exhale left. One last time. Inhaling right. Exhaling left. Good. Now relax your arms. Stay relaxed in your legs too. And now we're going to do an exercise where we twist our upper body, letting our arms, hips, and knees follow passively, bringing some mobility to our whole spine. So start. Follow the movement with your gaze and enjoy moving freely here. And come back to the middle. In the next exercise, you want to maintain a straight spine. So let's work on the muscles that are stabilizing the natural curve of the spine. It's not about getting deep. Just think about not rounding your chest and not arching your lower back. It's quite difficult, so you can take a look first, and as soon as you've got it, you can start trying. With an inhale, raise up the arms. And with an exhale, just fold from your hips as far as you can while still maintaining a straight back. Inhale, moving up again. Exhale, lowering down. Try to stay relaxed in the neck while doing this exercise. Inhale, hands up. Relax the neck. Exhale, moving forward, engaging the legs. Inhale, rising up through the fingers. Exhale, coming back forward. And don't bring your hips back to facilitate the balance. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, forwards, staying long. Inhale, slowly rise. Exhale, one more time, moving downwards. Inhale, come up, and release the arms. Inhale here, in your standing position, and exhale, roll down from your head. One vertebra at a time, to your forward fold. Grabbing your elbows here, staying with a micro bend in your knees, and start bouncing freely. Letting the weight of your arms pull you towards the ground. Good. Now let go of your elbows, hands to the ground, and walk with your hands forward to your first down dog. Feel free to walk on the spot a bit here, stretch out the legs, and your legs can remain bent. Push away the floor with your hands and open up your shoulders. The next thing we do is shift forward into plank. Inhale. And exhale, lower down to the knees, chest and chin to the ground. Inhale, come up to cobra and stay here. Bring your shoulder blades closer to each other in order to open the chest. Your legs are straight, your toes are touching, and you can let your heels fall slightly apart, ensuring that you're not building up any pressure in your lower back. There's also the option to remain with your legs hip-width apart. Stay long in your spine and hold this chest opening from your back muscles, not through your hands. You can even release your hands slightly from the floor. The neck stays relaxed, and you can start deepening your breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale one more time. And now exhale, look over your right shoulder. And inhale to the middle. With the next exhale, look over your left shoulder. Inhale middle. Exhale right. Inhale middle. Exhale left. And inhale. Come to the middle. Exhaling, lowering your forehead down to the ground. Place both arms in front of you on the ground. We're now going to lift up diagonally one arm and one leg at the same time for balancing tabletop pose. Try to lift up the belly button during the whole exercise to ensure that you're working your back muscles evenly. The head stays on the ground. Inhale, lift up the left arm and right leg. Exhale, release. So inhale, lift up the right arm and left leg straight. Exhale, release both. Inhale, lift up the left arm and right leg. Exhale, release. Inhale, right arm and left leg. Exhale down. Inhale, left arm, right leg. Exhale down. Inhale, other side. Right arm, left leg. Exhale down. Inhale, left arm, right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, right arm, left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, left arm, right leg. Exhale down. Inhale, right arm, left leg up. Exhale down, and inhale, left arm, right leg up. Exhale, come down. Place your arms in a cactus shape next to your head. Now, inhale, lift up the chest, head and arms, the feet staying on the ground. And from here, you inhale, stretch out both arms, and exhale, bring them back to cactus arms. Let's go a little faster. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, cactus arms. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, back. 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 Inhale. And come back. Exhale, releasing everything. Place your hands next to your chest and inhale, push up to tabletop. come to your knees and tuck your toes. Press the hands firmly into the ground and inhale, lift up only your knees a couple of centimeters and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do the bear walk. What you do first is step one hand and one leg forward, and then the other hand and the other leg. Take your time to get used to this exercise. And now walk to the front of your mat like this. The knees are always staying at the same height. And walk back to the end of your mat. And one more time. Walking forward and back. One last time, coming forward and walk back. And then come to seated. Shift your hip to one side and bring your legs in front of your body together. Knees are bent and feet are parallel. Place your hands next to your hips, fingers are facing forwards, the legs are bent, and with an inhale, lift up your hips for crab pose. Stay here and breathe evenly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Staying up with your hips. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And release the posture. If this was really challenging, you know what you need to work on. The knees are still bent, and now let them drop to one side. And then over to the other. Your hands are behind your back, supporting the balance. And just allow yourself to do this movement freely. There's no need for tension. Well done. Now lay onto the ground. We're going to a low boat pose. Lift your arms up overhead, next to your ears, and your legs a couple of inches above the ground. Really stretch them out. Make sure to keep your lower ribs connected to the ground. Good. Staying here. Inhale, flexing the feet, and then exhale to point. Inhale, flex. Exhale, point, staying long. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Lowering down to the ground. Bringing the right knee up, the arms to the sides, and with an exhale, bring the right knee towards the left side. You can gaze towards the right side for a really nice spinal twist. Breathe here deeply and feel the stretch in your back body. Inhale, come up to the middle and change sides. Exhale, bring your left knee now to the right side. The head drops to the left. Also here, try to actively relax your hips, your back, and your shoulders. Inhale, coming back to center, and exhale, finding your way onto your back for Shavasana. Inhale deeply here, and exhale all of the air out through the mouth. Inhale evenly, and exhale completely. Inhale, filling up. Exhale, release. Enjoy the break after the exhale. Inhale softly. Exhaling here. Inhale. And exhale. Slowly let go of the control over your breathing and shift the attention back to the body. And whenever you're ready, come up and meet me in a seated, cross-legged position. Maybe go for some light spinal twists here to check how your back feels after this practice. You worked a lot on your core and breathing today, and trained some specific muscle groups that are underdeveloped typically in people who sit a lot. So only by repeating these exercises can you do a lot for your back and posture. Thank you for joining today. We wish you a great day and look forward to seeing you soon.